Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. So first of all, I can log in into my WordPress website. Let me add wp-admin, and now here I need to add username and password. Then let me click on login button. So guys, here you can see I am logged in into my WordPress website, and in the WordPress dashboard we need to install a free plugin. So just we can go in plugin sections and install a new plugin. So you can secure your WordPress website free of cost. And here you can find out thousands of free WordPress plugins. And then type a keyword anti-malware. So we need to add a dash. Make sure that you have added correct spelling. Here you can see this one. So 1 lakh plus active installations with 5-star ratings. Just you can install this plugin. And after that click on activate button. Scroll down and on the left side you can see this one. Just go to scan settings. Scroll down and here you can select what to scan. So you will have three options. You can scan this directory, so main directory, then WP content and plugins. So first one is recommended. Just you can click on run complete scan. So guys, here you can see it has started scanning, and you can check the working progress and speed, and you can also add a free API key. And here you will see all the issues will be listed, and then you can fix out one by one. Now you can go to Firewall tab, and here you can see by plugins, evaluation slider, PHP file protection. So you can disable protection if required, and you can see how is to use this anti-malware plugin. So you can easily protect your WordPress website free of cost.